What's going on, everybody? Well, finally out here. Massachusetts, Fort Pond, Lancaster, Massachusetts. As you can see, I'm out here on my boat. Finally got it out, first time of the season. Beautiful day, got home from work, able to pack up, come out here, catch some of this nice weather before it rains again tomorrow. But so far so good. Yeah, got the Mercury 5 horsepower. Been doing pretty good so far, I have to say. So far so good for the little Merc 5 horsepower. It's been moving me right along. I said probably about between 10-12 miles an hour. I'm still breaking it in, so haven't really pushed it to the highest abilities as of yet. But once I get done with the braking, I'll really be able to open it up and see what's good. But I'm just glad to be out here, man. Finally, I've been putting a lot of work into the boat over the winter months, and I'm just glad to have it out here. So, enjoy what I can get you for now. It's gonna start to get dark within the next hour or so. So I'll stay here for as long as I can. Try to get you some good video. And stay tuned for more to come. Nauti by nature, your boy Linko. Finally, out on the boat.